Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to add bullet point in Excel. For that, once you open Excel, here on the spreadsheet, you can see over here bullets. How you can create a bullet like this is simply you need to select any cell on the spreadsheet and you need to type in is equals to CHAR and small bracket open and type in 149 and small bracket close like this, and you need to press enter on the keyboard. After that, here you can see that a bullet point has been created on the Excel. And here if you want to have this column as fill in bullet, then you can simply click on the cell, and here you can see small plus like icon. You can just drop down it like this, and here you can see that bullet has already been here on the screen of the Excel. So this way you can easily create bullets point on Excel. If you like this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.